6 lies you should stop telling yourself. Yes, my dear friends, if you really want to do something and achieve which you can feel proud on, then you should never ever tell yourself. Because it has been seen that 80% people, they focus to the problems only. This is why in their life problems increases. But the principle says that if you focus to the solution, then you will get solution, and ultimately you will achieve your goal, what you want exactly in your life. But these small things which we common people do not focus on. But in this video, I'll tell you 6 lies we should not tell to ourselves. It's not the right time. You might have seen that the people, those who are losers, they do not want to winner. Exactly, they pretend to be the winners, but they are not in fact. They always give excuses that it's not right time for me. What should I do? I should wait for the right time. Remember, right time never comes in our life. You have to make any time into right time. I can understand it's COVID-19, so we cannot go out of our home. So what? At least we can put our efforts. In fact, those efforts may be very small. It is well said that smart local, I beg your pardon, start local and go global. So when you start taking small steps, let's suppose you are a student, you cannot go to school. So what? You can learn things yourself at home. You can do fitness, you can do yoga exercise, you can focus to the diet, you can focus and make the chart which can help you for your future and all. So please do not wait for the right time. Make any time into the right time. I am poor, or people say that I am not intelligent. If you are born poor, that's not your fault. But if you die poor, that's your fault. And that really matters a lot. So being poor is not bad. It's bad for those who pretend to be rich and all. Nobody was born rich since his and her childhood. This is karma bhumi, exactly the karma. If you do the right karma from the starting, I can understand you have not 1 crore rupee through which you can start a big business. So what? You can start local and go global. You first can study honestly, and then slowly you can do job, you can earn money and start your own business. So poor doesn't mean, or if you are weak at study, it doesn't mean that you cannot get success. Intelligence is something which you get or develop. But if you are not intelligent, what is the parameter of intelligence? First, we should understand. If you are great at maths, physics, chemistry, English, then you are intelligent. No, it's not like that. Your intelligence can be or maybe in anything, or any part of this life. So there you should focus, and you should do practice consistently. Then only it's possible to get what you want exactly. So never ever bother about your poverty, or never ever you should bother about your intelligence. That comes when you do practice. I'll become happy after this or that moment. You might have seen the people, like if I talk about the students, I mean you guys, you are waiting for 10th and think once I do 10th I'll become happy. Then you think once I do 12th then I'll become happy. Then you think if I become graduate, after graduate still you are not happy. You think that once I get job, after job, if I get married, then if I have children, then if I become retired and all. So till the end of life you do not find happiness. Means what? You always try to pursue a happiness that never comes. So stop pursuing happiness, start enjoying the life. It doesn't mean you should enjoy only. I mean through that duty you must enjoy your life. I'll start exercise from tomorrow. Nowadays we have stopped taking exercise, but thanks to COVID-19 that at our homes there is awareness regarding exercise, meditation, yoga and all. So never ever think that I'll do that work tomorrow, day after tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. This is today, and from today at least you can manage your diet, and you can start doing breathing practice. You can do some research that how to do exercise and all, because tomorrow never comes in our life. I can change him because I love him and her. Nobody will change for you. if you want to see the change in this world, be the part of it. So you have to bring changes in yourself. When you do something great, different and distinguished, maybe people will start following you. Like since starting, Mahatma Gandhi was not a great person. He was normal kid like you and I. He was an average student. But when he sacrificed his life for the betterment and to liberate this great land, that is Bharatvarsha, then people saw and noticed that he is such a great person, a great soul. Then people started following him. It's not in the starting that people started following him. So you have to do something different, only then people will start following you. And then last but not the least, people say that my dreams are big, but those are very difficult. My dream is really big, but that is difficult. Yes, we all have dreams, and dreams are always big. And you think one thing in your life, the pro tip which I gave you in the last, that instead of focusing problems, you should focus to the solution. If you focus to the solution, you will get solution. So if you see something that is very difficult in your life, you should focus to the ways that can help you to get that thing, and automatically those things will help you to get that. Dreaming is not bad thing, but if you really want to get that dream, then you should start local and go global. Instead of focusing to the solution, you must focus to the, I beg your pardon, instead of focusing to the problems, you should focus to the solution, and I'm damn sure you must get what you want exactly in your life. I'm damn sure, my dear friends, that you must get what you want exactly in your life. Thank you very much for watching My Career Doctor. Stay happy and be the best. If you want to learn English with me, I'm in Prakash Singh Azad. Please visit the playlist of My Career Doctor. There you'll find a playlist, Spoken English Step by Step, that will teach you from basic to advanced. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.